A very good evening and welcome you all to the Times of Dehat. This is Anjali and today we will be exploring a topic which is as age old as this village's ancient civilization, the child marriage. Despite strict governmental laws and changing technology, mentality and times, this tradition continues to thrive in different parts of rural India. But why do people still support it? To understand, I will be speaking to some proud defender of this practice from Bawalpur village, Dehat. Their views might surprise you or perhaps might not at all. Our first guest is Sunita Devi, who has just married off her 14-year-old daughter. So Sunita ji, how sad you are about your daughter's early marriage?
है जी, कौन मरीज?
No Sunita ji, it's child marriage. चाइल्ड मैरिज, बाल विवाह।
मैडम जी, हम तो बड़े खुशकिस्मत है। बिटिया की शादी जल्दी हो गई, दामाद भी पैसे वाला है। अब हमारी बेटी तो रानी की तरह रहती है और हमारा दामाद वो तो हीरा है, हीरा।
So okay सुनीता जी, so you are really happy about your child's marriage?
बिल्कुल मैडम, हम दामाद को लेकर अगर खुश है तो मेरी बिटिया भी खुश है।
Okay, Sunita ji, so did your daughter agree to this decision? I mean, is your daughter happy in this marriage? मतलब विवाह।
14 साल की लड़की वही करेगी जो हम कहेंगे, उतना आधुनिक नहीं बनना मैडम जी हमको।
That's the point. What you elder are doing?
आप कहना क्या चाहती हो? उम्र में तो आप भी छोटी है हमसे। अच्छी बात बोलती हुई यह सब रिपोर्टर का काम छोड़कर आप भी शादी कर लीजिए।
Thank you a lot for the suggestion, Sunita ji, but I'm not talking about my marriage. I'm talking about your daughter's marriage. Is she really happy with this marriage?
मैडम, आप तो पीछे ही पड़ गए। हमारी बेटी हम जो सही समझे वही किया। आप ज्यादा बकबकाइए मत।
Okay, sorry to offend you, Sunita ji. Once again, congratulations on your daughter's marriage and thank you for your insight. Joining us next is Ram Prasad ji, respected villager who has seen more marriages than anyone else in this village. So Ram Prasad, what's your secret to a happy village?
बेटी, हमारे यहाँ तो बचपन में शादी का माहौल होता है और लड़की जितनी छोटी उतना ही बढ़िया, खर्चा और झमेला दोनों ही कम।
Okay, so you believe the younger the better. That's a unique educational policy, sir. School छुट्टी for attending शादी, right?
बिल्कुल, शादी के बाद ही लड़की की पहचान बनती है।
Indeed, Ram Prasad ji, who need recognition when you have a Mangal Sutra? Now, let's talk to Munna Bhaiya Halwai, the confectioner of this village. So Munna ji, your business must be booming during this wedding season.
मैडम जी, शादी में तो मिठाई बिकती ही है और हमारा साइड बिजनेस भी तो है।
Of course, fewer kids, less pocket money, every shopkeeper's dream, and one less customer for your toffees as well, Munna ji.
और मैडम, शादी के बाद तो लड़की के ससुराल वाले भी हमसे ही मिठाई लेते हैं। मैडम, राज की बात बताए, हम तो अपने बिटिया को भी बोल रखे हैं, जब भी दूसरे जगह से मिठाई है वो भी अपने नखरे दिखाए। कुल मिला के हम तो हर तरफ से प्रॉफिट में ही हैं।
Okay, so it seems like a win-win situation for you, Munna ji. Okay, thank you a lot, Munna ji. So here comes our final guest, Mrs. Shushila Devi, the school principal of local school Bawalpur village, Dehat. So, Shushila ji, you must miss your students after they get married so young.
मैम, स्कूल में कम लड़कियां हैं, कम शोर शराबा और लड़कियां तो वैसे भी घर का काम सीख लेती है, पढ़ाई करके क्या करेगी?
Okay, so you're saying that less noise, more peace, and education is best left for boys, perhaps, right?
क्या लड़कियां पढ़ लिख के कौन सा आईपीएस बनेगी? जाना तो किचन में ही है।
Of course, the kitchen, most prestigious university for girls. Shushila ji, you yourself a woman and a school principal. You are really supporting this.
आप सुनिए, हमारे पिताजी का 30 बीघा जमीन था। मर्द जो बोले वही ठीक, वो हमारे इतिहास और परंपरा में है। आप भी तो शादी लायक है, आपके लिए मर्द ढूंढे।
Now, thank you, Shishila ji. Thank you a lot for sharing your thoughts. Now you may leave. As we have heard enough tonight, in Bawalpur, for many, child marriage is not just a tradition. It is not just a way of life. Let me explain it for you. Child marriage celebrated with sweet songs and shy of relief. In simple logic, in simple word, it is fewer mouth to feed, less dowry, and a girl married off early before she can dream too big. Behind the fun, laughter, and the ritual, what we are really celebrating? A child marriage, a lost childhood, broken dream, and a cycle that keeps on spinning generation after generation. Even if you believe or not, this exist still today. Perhaps, as our guest suggested, the secret to a peaceful village is early weddings and an empty classroom without young girls. Or maybe, just maybe, the real progress lies in letting our daughter finish their school, choose their own future, and, dare I say, buy their sweets from Munna Halwai Ki Dukaan. Tonight we have heard the voices of tradition, funny, proud, and unashamed. But the question remains same. Are we really ready to laugh off the future of our daughters? Or will we finally let them write the stories of their own? Thank you for joining us on the Times of Dehat. Subscribe for more real stories from rural India. And if you have different perspective, then please share it in the comment below. After all, every tradition was once a new idea.